Let's take a trip down memory lane and look at all my past Halloween costumes. So back in the day, I was a makeup artist for a short time and I really started to get into special effects makeup. So this was my first time experimenting with makeup like that. I was playing with latex and clearly I got it wrong. So at the time, I think I was going for more of like a Bride of Frankenstein type of look. As you can see, there's staples in there. I was trying to have two sides stapled together. So I think this was for like some type of Halloween costume. I don't think I won, but everyone thought it was pretty cool. And here is just another close-up look at my paint job, my foundation, and my veins. So hopefully you can tell who this is. If not, I am definitely channeling Akasha from Queen of the Damned. Shout out to Aaliyah. I would say this costume was by far the most effort I've ever put in a costume before. I made everything from scratch minus the necklace. And here is the full look from head to toe. I pretty much made the costume. I had fake vampire teeth. I had contacts, the whole nine. That year, I really wanted to go all out, and so I did. So after the year before where I went all out, I decided to keep it simple and I just did face makeup. I wore my own regular clothes and I just did some skull makeup on my face. Now, by the camera quality of this photo, you should be able to tell how old this is. This is the closest or the highest quality photo of a close-up I could find. And here's just the full look with my bestie. I think we went to a Halloween party that year. Okay, fast forward a few more years and post-motherhood, this was our first mother and daughter costume, and she is Frida Kahlo and I am the paint palette. So a few years after that, still in my mom era, my daughter really wanted to be the new Ariel from the Little Mermaid movie, so I decided to be an updated version of Ursula. This one was a lot of fun. I got a gray blonde wig and the makeup was so fun to do. I pretty much did like white makeup and then I added some purple on top. And this is us in the full costume. Okay, the year after that, can you guess what I am? So it's another mother-daughter costume. My daughter decided to be Asha from the Wish movie. The movie was kind of like a flop, but it was a Disney movie that came out not too long ago, and I couldn't think of anything to be, so someone gave me the idea of being the little star in the movie, so I always try to do something that coordinates with her costume, and so this was super easy, a little makeup, a little shimmer, and then stars and gold, and here we are. And here is a preview for this year. My daughter wants to be Glinda from the Wicked movie, and so Elphaba. This is my first attempt at the makeup. I was not happy with it. So stay tuned for Halloween where I'm going to get this makeup right.